yata yung pinakamahirap, Bishop. Pero sa akin po, let me put it this way. Yung sa akin, during the campaign, a lot of candidates will face you. Parang mga manliligaw. They will say the words that you want to hear. We will all prepare for the best platforms that we can think of. We will consult the experts in the many fields to help us craft our best platforms. Pero at the end of the day, it is the character that matters. Di ba sinasabi nila, integrity is who you are when no one is looking? Yung sa akin, sana yung pag-assess natin sa mga kandidato, hindi based on promises hindi based on promises, but who were they before now? What did they stand up for when they were just before their lives as politicians, when they were just private persons like the rest of us? Sino sila no nag-occupy sila ng mga posisyon? Ano ba yung mga pinaglaban nila? Kasi alimbawa, lahat kami magsasabi sa inyo, mahal ko yung mahihirap. Di ba? Ayaw ko sa korupsyon. Pero ano ba, when I say, mahal ko yung mahihirap, paano namin pinakita in our past lives na minahal namin yung mahihirap? Halimbawa, nag-serve kami sa Congress. Ano ba yung mga bills na final namin doon? Pag sinabi namin, ayaw namin ng korupsyon, ano ba yung record namin? Nung nasa Congress kami, ano ba yung mga bills na final namin para siguruhin na yung korupsyon maaalis natin? So pakiusap ko lang po sana. Hindi ko sinasabi na ako yung pinakamahusay na kandidato. Hindi ko sinasabi na ako yung pinakamabait na kandidato. Hindi ko sinasabi na ako yung most deserving. Pero ako, ino-offer ko yung sarili ko in service. Pero you judge me not because of what I'm saying now, pero you judge me in accordance to how I performed in the past responsibilities that were given to me. Halimbawa ako, I was in Congress for 3 years. Ano yung ginawa ko sa Congress when I was there? I was VP now for 1 year and how many months? Five and a half years. Ano yung ginawa ko as VP? So yung sa akin, sana mas discerning tayo. Sana yung pagpili natin ng kandidato ang tinitingnan, parang namimili tayo ng asawa. Na hindi yung matatamis na salita saka mga promises kung anong ibibigay sa atin. Pero tingnan natin, ano ba yung pagkatao nito? Halimbawa, ako magulang, gusto ko mga anak ko, yung mga taong i-date nila, titingnan nila, paano ba nito tinitreat yung sarili niyang pamilya? Kasi that's how you are as a person. So yun lang po yung pakiusap ko. Yun lang yung pakiusap ko na sana seryosohin natin yung pagpili. Let us not be